Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make a restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today I want to just start out by saying thank you guys for supporting me. We finally made it to monetization. So guys, please watch the commercial that's on my channel. And please tune in to the video. Please don't skip it. Just watch it. Support the channel best as you can. And please share me out to everybody, because it's really important that we can get some revenue so I can start making some more expensive recipes for you guys. Know that I do this for you guys. Alright? I'm just sharing what I have to offer to you guys. I've been cooking for many years, since I started out cooking when I was 7 years old. I started out cooking, I believe the first thing I started out cooking was breakfast for my mom. Okay, and I've been cooking ever since then. I was 7 years old then. So alright, let's get into the recipe. Now, much love to all you guys, and I appreciate you guys. So yeah, help support the channel. Today's recipe is going to be a hangover recipe. That's right, I did not stutter. A hangover recipe. And yes, I do have a slight hangover. So let's get right into it. It's going to be called a chicken wing and rice soup. Okay? And I'm going to show you what we got here. First of all, we're going to start out with this. This is some chicken broth. It's like 2 pounds of that. We're going to also use 2 pounds of water. So we'll measure it out for you guys. But just know this is 2 pounds right here. Alright, we got 2 cups of rice right here. You can use whatever type of rice you want to use. I put a quarter, not a quarter, but I put a half a teaspoon of white pepper in there. That's what this is. This is white pepper, guys. I got some beef, I'm not no beef, but some chicken base. I put a teaspoon of that in there. I put a not tablespoon, but teaspoon of what's this? Cilantro leaf. A teaspoon of turmeric. This is sage. I didn't put that in there yet, but I'm gonna put like a quarter teaspoon of that in there. I put a quarter teaspoon of pink sea salt. 1 tablespoon of onion, granulated. 2 bay leaves. 1/4 teaspoon of celery salt. Teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And a 1/4 teaspoon, I hope you guys can't see it over that way, so a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Alright? Alright, and here's the chicken. That's all the ingredients that I put in there. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this 1/4 teaspoon of sage in there. That's it. Now we're going to open up this chicken broth. Pour that in there, and I also put a teaspoon of butter. We may not need to put that much water in there, so we're gonna cook this chicken first, though, before we put that what's the name in there? Let me see if I can get it cut. water dispensary. Fill me up a cup of water. Or probably about 2 cups. You just go ahead and do 2 cups. So that's almost 2 cups. Alright, that's 2 cups. We're going to cook this on medium for about a good hour. And I'll see you guys when we pour that rice and stuff in there. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been cooking for about 45 minutes. And I'm just going to, this is how it looks. Let me just show you guys that first. The only reason is this color like this is because of turmeric, okay? So you don't want your it to be this color like that. You don't have to use the turmeric. It's very healthy for you guys. So we're just gonna pour this rice in. I did want to add, because I forgot to tell you guys, I did put like about 6 baby carrots, chopped it up fine. I put some chopped up garlic in it, like 2 cloves of that, and I put a half an onion chopped up in it. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys. I apologize for that. So we're gonna, because this rice gonna blow up. I'm gonna tell you that now. So we're gonna put some more water in there. All right, about 2 cups. That's about 2 cups right there. Pour that in there. We're gonna put it back on there and let it cook for about good 15 to 20 minutes. We should be done. And I'll put this stuff together and show you guys what we got. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. This is done. Show you guys how that looks. You see that? This is my hangover cure. Chicken wings and rice soup. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And I'm out.